everybody and welcome. We're making a delicious and wonderful shrimp recipe today using sambar powder. It's a very simple recipe and yet delicious. It's a combination of two ingredients that typically do not come together. Sambar powder that you see here is what we use for the lentil stew from South India called sambar. We're using that for our shrimp recipe, and we're starting off with about little over a pound, 1.2 pounds of large shrimp, so that's about 13 shrimp to a pound, and I'd say that's about a half a kilo of pink shrimp, equal amounts of finely diced onion and chopped tomato, that's about a cup or so, 1.5 teaspoons of sambar powder, 2 tablespoons of coriander, quite a heaping 3 tablespoons of ginger and garlic paste, some small diced green chilies, half a teaspoon of turmeric, and a lot of chopped cilantro. So we're using a mix of two kinds of oil. One is regular cooking oil and the other is coconut. So we're going to start first with a pan that we have heating on the stove, and we're going to start sauteing our onions right away. So once this is well sauteed, we're looking for a light golden brown, which will take about 3 to 4 minutes. So the onions now beautifully browned, we're going to start throwing in the rest of our ingredients. We're starting with the chopped green chili. You can omit that if you like it less spicy. That's the sambar powder, coriander, turmeric, and ginger and the garlic paste. Remember, there is no liquid in the pan, so you might want to lower the heat as you stir this, because both the paste and the powders can burn very easily. So we're going to saute this for a few minutes with a little water. We'll throw in some of that chopped cilantro along with the stalks on medium-low. Let it cook down. For 3 to 4 minutes before we throw in our tomatoes. Add a little more oil, and the oil really is rendering quite beautifully. So we're going to throw in our chopped tomatoes. These are ripe tomatoes that I've roughly chopped. We're going to cook this down really well. We're looking for a nice thick gravy. Smash the tomatoes with the back of your spoon. And now that we have a nice thick gravy, we're going to throw in our shrimp. It's a piece of shell. Give it a gentle stir. You want to stir it in with the masala. Some salt. And cook it gently till your shrimp is completely cooked. It needs to lose its translucent color and get pink and shrivel up. That's how you know it's cooked. It'll probably take about 5 or so minutes. You have a nice thick gravy here. And as you can see, our shrimp is pink. It has curled up and firm. It's changed color. It's no longer translucent, so you know it's cooked. Just before serving, just going to drizzle a little bit of coconut oil, be a teaspoon and a half or so, and that has a beautiful, a very delicate flavor, mildly sweet, and complements shrimp or prawn very well. There you go. Delicious, and you just cannot tell that it's been made with sambar powder, cilantro leaf right on top. And here you have it, a delicious jumbo shrimp in a sambar tomato gravy. Enjoy.